Waka 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 waka. Abracadabra, power alakazam. Baba. Wah, wah, wah. Welcome to Hadi's Play World. Hi guys! Today we're going to open this giant box. Oh day! It's a Hot Wheels truck. Look at this, guys. Hot Wheels truck builder. This is a new truck. Waka 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 waka. This is the instructions. Whoa, 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 whoa. Some of these pieces are dropping. There. This is a loopy-loop part and a race car. Now let's assemble this truck. We done it, guys! These are the loopy loops.
Okay.
This is the race truck, and then it goes, and then jump, and then get in the cup. Now let's test it.
Whoa!
Where did it go? It's no more better on the table.
Okay, should we put it on the floor?
Yeah,
Okay, let's put it on the floor.
you do it. Can't do it. Nah. It worked, guys! Abracadabra, alakazam! Abracadabra, power alakazam! And Hot Wheels car and beat and Shublamo! Shublamo!
Which dance?
Close your eyes, blink dance. Wah, wah, wah. How's that? It's like a Shublamo!
Which dance is that?
No, ignore dance.
Okay.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button. Catch you later, guys. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Send it to Hadi's Play World.
Okay.